How's it going, guys? My name is John. I fly multi-GP under the pilot name Turtle Mode, and I own TurtleModeFPV. I'm here today to talk about our new Street League frame, the HeavyMetal Plus. This is a plus variant of our popular HeavyMetal frame. Honestly, for the average pilot, I would recommend our traditional X-based HeavyMetal frame. But if you want to experiment with the Plus has some unique aerodynamic properties and some unique tuning challenges that may or may not be advantageous in certain Street League scenarios. So, what about the Plus? Same thing, it's got a metal plate like our original HeavyMetal frame that gets it up to Street League spec weight. Uses slightly modified Source 1 V3 arms. That's going to be the same arms, interchangeable with our X frames. Same open racer pod mounting. So you can use our original open racer pod or any of the pods that were developed for the 5-inch open racers will fit on there. We got our new Aero pod, which is designed to be a little bit of a bigger pod. Fits 30 by 30 stacks, a little bit easier, 3-tier HD0 stacks. So that's meant to fit on there and be a little more aero. But that's also interchangeable with our X-style frames. And that will make our X-style HeavyMetal frame a little bit more aero. It does add about 12 grams over our traditional pod. And we're gonna get going with a build video here. I think it's gonna be a 3-part series. We'll do a basic frame build, then a stack build, and then we'll go into tuning in the third video.